Hey guys, this video will show you what to do in fixing an iPad that powered off by itself and would no longer turn on. When a device like an iPad won't turn on or respond, there are always a couple of possibilities. It's either the problem is with the firmware or it's a sign of a serious hardware issue. What you can do is to rule out the possibility that it is just a minor firmware problem. Here are the things you need to do. First solution: perform the forced restart. Most of the time, when a device like an iPad powers down on its own and would no longer turn on or respond, it's due to a firmware crash. It happens mostly after an update when the device transitions from one system architecture to another. To make the device respond again, the best option you have is the forced restart. To do so, press and hold the home button and the power key for 10 seconds. It will force the iPad to boot up. So once you see the Apple logo, release both keys and wait until the restart is finished. If you're using an iPad Pro, quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. Immediately after that, press and hold the power key for 10 seconds. This will force the iPad to boot up. When the Apple logo shows, release the power key and wait until your iPad finishes the reboot. More often than not, doing the forced reboot will fix the problem. However, if your iPad is still not responding after this, then try the next solution. Second solution: charge and do the forced restart. It is possible that the battery is drained and the firmware crashed just before the device powered off. That might be the reason why it's not responding. So here's what you need to do. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet, and connect the iPad to it using the original Lightning cable. Regardless of whether the iPad shows the charging sign or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After a few minutes of charging and while the device is connected to the charger, try doing the forced restart again. If you are able to make the logo appear on the screen, then it means that the problem is fixed. But if the iPad still won't turn on after this, then it could mean that the problem is with the hardware. So have it checked. I hope that we've been able to help you one way or the other. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.